What's so fascinating about my armpit?
We've been interviewing everyone, and you're not the only person with that opinion.
Oh yeah?
Millions of people who think that.
What else did you want to say?
I was here working.
Where's close?
I was working late catching up. I'll let you know as soon as I have something. Trust is all over me.
What's behind my head?
We ran a background
Oh,
check on Karen Nixon.
there you go, some eye contact.
Taken on under 2 years ago by another woman.
There's a smile.
No written, verbal.
You got a smile in you, don't you?
Do we know
If I tickle your calf.
what else do we have on next besides the fact that she was at this retreat with
Just
Mother
slightly
and
interested.
She's got bleached blonde hair like the sample we found in the ski cap.
Well, let me know what this Sinclair woman has to say.
Is that so? You got any more to tell me?
Did you socialize after that?
We texted each other, a couple movies. After a while, I got the impression she wanted more than just friendship.
Yeah, push on this one. Push. Oh, you're getting there. There you go.
Did she ever think